Do you want to know the shortest but most powerful dua? Then read after me. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyah. One more time. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyah. Now, why is this the shortest dua, my brothers and sisters? Well, one day Abbas radiallahu anhu, who is the uncle of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he went to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he asked him a question. He said, Ya Rasulullah, teach me a dua. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam responded and said, Oh my uncle, indeed ask for afiyah. Now, what is afiyah, my brothers and sisters? Afiyah is when you are not going through any afflictions or harms. It is when you're not sick. It is when you're not going through any financial crises. It is when, your children are doing well, your family is doing well. And most importantly, it is when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pleased with you and He has forgiven you. So the word afiyah entails all of these meanings. And when we ask for afiyah, we are basically asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to relieve us from any pain and suffering. Now, a few days pass and Abbas radiallahu anh is thinking to himself, he's saying, this dua seems a little short, so let me go back to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and ask him for another dua perhaps. So he goes to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he asks again the same question. He says, Ya Rasulullah, he says, teach me a dua. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam responds with the exact same words. He says, Oh my dear uncle, indeed ask for afiyah, for it is the best thing you can ask for. Subhanallah. Look how short this dua is, my brothers and sisters. Any one of us can memorize this dua. It is only a few words, yet it's so powerful, and we can reap many, many benefits through just reading this simple dua. So we should try consistently to recite this dua throughout our day, and inshallah we will be protected from any forms of pain or suffering in this dunya and the akhirah.